Hi all, welcome to AssetsADM.com. It's an online software to manage and maintain assets and documents of any small, big, or corporate company as well as any individual. It's built on cloud technology using PHP and Laravel framework with rigid data securities. The software AssetsADM.com can be accessed from anywhere, anytime using any device like your PC, laptop, or even a smartphone. This application is developed to track, manage, and maintain any assets like land, plant and machinery, furniture, motor vehicles, office equipments, computers, or software, etc. It's also take care of all documents like passport, national ID, driving license, work permit, health insurance, etc. In order to understand the concept and applications, let us go through the application. For that, you must use this URL demo.assetsadm.com. You will get this page and you can just log in. Here, you must enter the user ID and password and you can sign in. You will get this page. This is the dashboard. It shows the total number of assets included, documents included, company, and the total number of employees. It also shows a calendar, the recent activity in the assets, and the task you have to done. In the top right corner, you will see some buttons. They are alert button, communication mail, events, and task. Let's go back to the navigation menu where you can see dashboard, assets, documents, maintenance, analytics, masters, calendars, and admin. Let's go to assets. This is the page. Here you can create the new asset, and in the down you can see the total number of assets which is included here. It's also have a control panel where it shows asset ID, name, barcode, category, subcategory, asset group, company, division, used by, location, sublocation, custodian, supplier, purchase date, asset value, and status. Coming back, you can use all these parameters to filter your data as you wish. If, for example, if you can select any asset from the under the category asset school, and you can select a particular category as motor vehicle, and you will get all the data under that category. You can also filter all these data according to the price value if you wish. If you need the total number of assets that cost high price, you can easily done that by giving the value here. And also all these parameters can be used for filtering. That's multi-filtering can be happened. This icon shows the number of entries you must see in this page. For coming out from the filtering, you can just click on this button and you will get back. For more details, let us select one asset and we can show the details. This shows the total data included according to that particular asset. It shows the name, barcode, category, subcategory, asset group, asset value, purchase value, company, division, custodian, location, sublocation, and other many details. Here you can also see any notes if attached, or even files can be attached. Additional information shows the additional information about that particular asset. Here you can enter the key holder name. You can enter multiple key holder name that will be very useful in an emergency situation. In the image section, you can add more images of that particular asset if you need it. Contract shows the contract details of that particular asset if done. Service request shows the service request that's made to that particular asset. And work order shows the work order that has been approved for that particular service request. Inspection details shows the inspection details of that particular asset. Upgrade shows the upgradation details you have done to that particular asset. And breakdown shows the breakdown details, and GPS shows the location of that particular asset. Hence, you can easily track your asset where it is been there. Coming back, here you can see some menus. Let's look into that. First is action. Here you can see a revision history where it shows the updations you have done to that particular asset. All the updation details can be shown here, and hence you can verify if any doubts is away. If you want to see all these data in a one page or in a single page, you can just click on preview. You will get all these details like this. Another advantage is that you can email this total data from here itself, or else even you can print it. Here also you can make new assets, and if you need to edit something you can use this button, or else if you want to delete it you can just delete it from here. When we will go to the next option, that's documents. Similarly, it shows the total details of the documents saved here, and you can see this list here, and this is used to create the new document. Here also a control panel is available, like reference, name, assets, type, company, division, employee, custodian, location, sublocation, expiry date, status, etc. To know more about, let us select one. Here you can see the details of that particular document. All these details can be saved, and notes can also be given, and also you can attach the files. Here also all these options are available. Next is maintenance. Here it includes service request, work order, and contract. Let's go to service request. Service request shows the total number of service requests that has been made in that software according to a particular asset. Here you can create the service request. You can easily enter all these details and just save it, and that's it. It's done. Here it also shows the status that's pending, if it is pending or completed, etc. And you can filter also from here, and you will get the total pending service requests very easily. Here also this button is also available to see the total number of entries you must see in this page. Then going back to work order, here you can see the total number of work order that is done. Here you can select, and this is how the work order should be placed. Here you must enter all these details, and here you can also notify the supplier by SMS or email. This helps to notify the supplier at the time when this work order is placed, and you can just save it, and that's done. Here also you can see the status of this particular work order, and also you can filter it according to your need. Next is contract. Here it shows the total number of contract details that is done, and it's used to create new contracts. Coming back, next is analytics. It includes assets, documents, work order, contract, and audit trails. It shows the daily reports like this. Here it's shown as a graphical representation of the total asset that has been saved in the software. This data is also available as data summary if you need it, or full data set is also available. As you wish, you can take it. This parameter shown here can be used to filter your data according to your need. For example, let's check it to asset school and we will take a category as a motor vehicle, and if you need more you can just select it and just click on go. All this full data set is available, data summary is available, and also the graph is also available according to the filtered that is given here. You can also download this report as a PDF or in Excel sheet, or you can even save this report. To come out from this filtering option, you can just select this and all the filter can is gone. You will also get the data or reports of inspection details or the upgrade details, breakdown, sales and depreciation. This is the report of assets, and you will get all this report of documents, work order, contracts, audit trails. All these reports is available here like this, and you can filter it as you wish and just take it as a PDF or in Excel sheet in your needs. Next is masters. It shows category, subcategory, asset groups, document type, company, division, location, sublocation, supplier, employees, etc. You can enter all these data according to your need like this. You can also enter subcategory details, asset groups details, document type, company, division, location, sublocation, supplier, employees. All these details can be entered very easily and you can just filter it. Next is calendar. It shows the events and tasks. Here you can add the events you must do according to the date and just drag it here, and you will see this calendar in the dashboard. You can also add tasks as you wish, and you can select go back. Everything can be done. Next is admin. It shows the details of the user that's using this software. Here it shows the admin and it shows the user ID and all the users. All the contents entered here is according to your need. It has all admin, super users and users. You can categorize according to your needs and you can maintain the software as you wish. These are the main features of the software. It's very useful software and also it's a responsive site so that you can easily use this in smartphone too. Just try this software. Thank you.